In September of 2019, myself and 13 other Sacred Heart students flew to Dingle, Ireland to study abroad for 3.5 months. The group lived in townhouses that were all connected, housing 5 to 6 people per house. The group started off as strangers, however, as time went on, we formed strong connections and friendships. By December 2019, the group left Dingle, Ireland feeling like our own little family. According to Mary Ellen Johnson, time can mean many things. We can think of time in relation to a schedule and how long something will take. We can think of it in terms of hours, in terms of pacing a group, in terms of years, etc. Although a full 3.5 months may seem like a relatively long time to spend with the same people every day, our time in Dingle flew by. The transition was difficult for some members until we discovered a sense of universality. According to Cole, universality is the feeling that one is not alone. This is often expressed early on in the group as members look for similarities between themselves and other members. For members in the group, universality provides a large sense of relief. Living thousands of miles away from our normal lives was nerve-wracking for most of us. As a group, we had to understand that this was a normal feeling for all of us to experience, and that we were not alone in feeling this sense of homesickness. We were there to support whoever was feeling homesick at any point throughout the semester. This support helped the group form a sense of universality. Part of this universality was built through team building activities. According to Cole, team building activities have the goal of helping team members work better together to solve problems, make decisions, design new products, and generally produce more effective outcomes. Throughout the semester, the group had many organized team building activities. For example, we hiked to the top of Esk Tower. It was a challenge for some, so the group would collectively take a break and wait for each member to be ready to continue the hike. These types of team building activities help strengthen the bond between group members. As time went on, the group formed norms. According to Cole, norms are present in every group and serve to incorporate specific attitudes or behaviors that are acceptable to that specific group. One norm of this group was the positive attitudes we all had throughout the semester. When classes, specifically Anatomy 1, began to become difficult, we all supported and encouraged each other that we would all do well in the class overall. Starting the second week of the semester, this group created the ritual of Taco Tuesday. According to Cole, rituals are shared social actions with traditional, emotional, purposeful, and technological meaning, contributing to values and beliefs within the group or population. Every Tuesday, the group would gather and make tacos for dinner at someone's townhouse. Although we spent the majority of our time together, we did not always spend our time with every single person in the group. Because of all the time we spent together, a strong culture was formed within this group. According to Cole, culture defines the way the group interacts and gets its work done. Culture becomes evident in the norms, roles, and similarities within the group. The culture of the group was mostly formed through similarities of the individuals. For example, we were all eager to travel to Ireland, as well as many other European countries, to learn about and experience new cultures and customs. By the end of our semester, the group felt a strong sense of group cohesiveness. According to Cole, group cohesiveness occurs when group members share a connection which results in a positive bond and optimal functioning. This is typical in end-stage groups. The group members all went home after our 3.5 months together, feeling a sense of connection to each other and to the town of Dingle, Ireland. This group was, and still is, extremely meaningful to all members. Although our semester abroad came to an end, we all remain in contact with each other and make time to see each other to catch up often. The dynamics and the welcoming nature of this group allowed us to smoothly transition from living in Connecticut with all of our friends and family nearby to living across the world with 13 other strangers. We were able to experience so many things for the first time together. We laughed together, cried together, and got through Anatomy 1 together, all while traveling to 12 or more other countries. The memories we have from those 3 months abroad are memories that we will never forget.